Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how we can easily make drunk effect, trails effect, how to make blurry effect. I got no clue how to name this, but it's a new effect in ShotCut and I think you will love it. So what you want to do is go to filters and then click here plus and right here trails and just add it. Right now nothing will happen, but we will see soon. I got a Spider-Man swinging around in the city, which is like cool. And he's going round, round and stuff like that. And look, when I'm going to add amount of to 25, look at that. Do you see that? It's a drunken, blurry effect, and I personally really like it. This can be a big usage. So yeah, this is how you can make the drunk effect in ShotCut. I hope you will like it. If you do, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you very much everybody, have a great day and see you in the next video.